Saturday, June 8th, 2024. Immaculate Heart of Mary. Focus. My heart exalts in the Lord. Mary's Immaculate Heart, from the first moment of her conception, was intertwined with the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Mary's Song of Praise. As the child Jesus in her womb reached out to the child John in Elizabeth's womb, echoed Hannah's expression of gratitude and thanksgiving for the gift of her own son Samuel. Mary, while magnifying God's greatness and all that He had done for her, also magnified what He had done for others. The heart of Jesus is sacred because it reveals the heart of His Father, full of love and mercy. The heart of Mary is immaculate because it is pure and filled with love for her Son. Yet she experienced the pain and suffering all her life, from the conception of Jesus to His death. Today's Gospel reveals Mary's pain when Jesus appeared to be lost and she and Joseph went back to Jerusalem. She kept this and other trials in her heart and pondered over them as she continued to magnify the Lord and rejoice in God. Assumed in heaven, our dearest Mother cares deeply for us, as shown in the many appearances she had made, mostly to children. She warns us, guides us, and reminds us to stay close to the Sacred Heart of her Son and to her own Immaculate Heart. Fruit. Today, let us pray the Rosary in union with the heart of Mary for those who need her most.